Y'all, this is Glenda Video, and today is August the 11th, 2022. This has been a long time coming. Those support beams, help me, Robert, with the term.
Wall stiffeners.
Wall stiffeners. You see that right there? Now they got to be cleaned. It goes all the way up to the very top. You can't see it like that. But look at that. There's 4 of those. I know it's dark, but the guys are not here, so it's about the only time I can video. But there's another one. Let me turn you around. It's got this walk that they walk on. Looks like a big A up there. The legs to the A is decorative beams. Down there you can see scaffolding's in the middle, but you can see the stiffeners. There's 2 of them down there. So that's a total of 4. It's like, man, y'all, this is massive. I'm sorry. And the way they put those things in, there's nothing coming down. And let's see if I can. I'm going to turn you around. You go this way. I'm sorry, I'm spinning too fast. But all the way up the post, they're putting in screws. We'll plug those holes, but they're going to be all up in through there. They've got to finish plugging up the holes. Screwing in the 4 beams. This one looks a little, little bleach and a little scrubbing will clean that one up. I would say fairly good. But yeah, this is what they've been working on. Now, the only thing they have to do yet is put in the 4 trapezoid windows. There's 2 on each end. Once they put those in, hopefully tomorrow, and finish bolting the 4 columns, then they will be finished, and the rest of it's ours. Or mine, Robert's, whoever you want to call it. But yeah, that's it. This is, wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's about all I can say. Y'all have a good night. I will say this. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Give us a thumbs up. I know this is going on my YouTube channel. One day I will probably change the name of it. But just subscribe so you can continue to get our notifications as updates as to what's going on with the log house. So look, y'all have a great afternoon, and we will post our progress. Night, y'all.